Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door boot seal retainer spring on your front load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Use needle nose pliers to help extend the spring to remove the retainer from the door boot seal. Peel the boot seal off the lip of the front panel. Lift and support the front of the washer. Unthread the 4 screws securing the bottom of the front panel. Pull out the dispenser drawer and depress the tab to fully release. Now unthread the 2 larger screws inside the dispenser drawer housing. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the top of the front panel. Lift the front panel up and out to detach. Disconnect the 2 wire connectors to fully remove the panel. Use a 7/16" socket to unthread the 4 bolts, securing the lower counterbalance weight. Set the weight aside. Now remove the light assembly from the boot seal. Cut the zip ties securing the dispenser hose and the recirculation tube to the boot seal. Pull the hose and the tube free. You can now remove the old boot seal retainer spring, if still intact. Before you install the new retainer spring, confirm the door boot seal is fully aligned on the rim of the outer tub. Now position the retainer spring to secure the boot seal. You can use clamps to help hold the spring in place as you fully align it. Reinsert the dispenser hose and the recirculation tube into the appropriate ports. Use new zip ties to secure. Position the light assembly. Reposition the counterbalance weight on the outer tub and thread the mounting bolts. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the control board wire connector and the door latch wire connector. Align the panel on the mounting pins and push down. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Replace the screws in the dispenser drawer housing. Reinstall the dispenser drawer. Rethread the 4 screws to secure the bottom of the front panel. Remove the support. Align the door boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Secure it with the retainer by aligning the spring at the top, then insert the retainer into the groove of the boot seal. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.